welcome to Today on the Green.
Your host, I'm Bridget, and that's Evie. Well, you're probably getting sick of us, which is a good thing because host auditions are coming up.
Yep, May 16th, you guys are able to come in here and try your best to replace us next year.
Yep, so after school, get your funny bone working and come on down and audition.
Also, it's Thursday, so here's Randy with interviews.
That's right, Bearcats. I am finally back and out in the field doing interviews. And today we ask you guys, who's your favorite artist?
Drake.
What is it going?
Yes.
Megan Thee Stallion.
Pooh Shiesty. Miss Dolphy and Youngboy.
I gotta say the Bonita Teacher band here, In Danger of Failing, they're pretty good.
I really like the sound of the local wildlife. Reminds me of my home.
Lauryn Hill.
Valid.
Yay. Playboy Cardi.
Probably the Scruffy Mice.
Chester Dune. Rio the Young OG.
Nice.
Ed Sheeran.
Probably Taylor Swift.
Sweet. Well, that looks like a wrap for interviews today. Back to you lovely hosts in the studio.
Thanks, Randy.
ASB is making a bunch of leis for all the students that are graduating this year, so here's Alyssa to talk about it.
So you're gonna have your two ribbons, then you're gonna tie a knot. You're gonna tie two, so that way it stays. And then you wanna leave enough ribbon, so that way there's something there. You're gonna start with the green or the white, it doesn't really matter. You're gonna do a loop. You're gonna do a loop for the white. You're gonna loop the white into the green. You're gonna pull on the green, little tight, but not too tight. Then you're gonna have that white loop, then you loop the green into the white, then you pull on the white, so you have that, then you do the white into the green, and then you alternate. You just do white and the green, then green and the white, and then you'll end up with something like this. Ta-da. So Natalie, do you want to try it?
No, I do not.
Thanks, Alyssa. Well, I hope whoever made my lei watched that demonstration.
Actually, are you guys free after school tomorrow?
No.
Yes, you are, because we have Jazz Under the Stars tomorrow from 6 to 9 with our jazz band and the amazing singers that are also going to be there. So you should come, Bridget. You're going to come. And that concludes today's episode of Today on the Green. Come back tomorrow to see what happens. Today on the Green tomorrow.